Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Today I hope you all doing well. Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to cook a gizzard. Cooking oil, minced garlic, fry for 30 seconds. Here is a gizzard. I already cleaned it. 2 tablespoons cooking wine and mix them well and cover up for at least 40 minutes. Here is a hot pot seasoning, a little spicy. Mix them well until cooperated. This could be good. It could be yummy. I love gizzard. Maybe someone said the gizzard is not nice. Gizzard is very yummy. So here's salt and ground black pepper, brown sugar, garlic powder, paprika, smoked paprika, and chicken powder. Mix well until cooperated. And here we go, adding the dark soy sauce and green onion, the stem, and it's ready to enjoy it. Here is a green onion for the garnish and sesame seeds, and here we go, stir fry gizzard.